So one of the things I've thought a lot about, I realize that we're recording right now, but is how to address YouTube. You know, is it friends? Is it hey guys? You know, is it like, hey YouTube? Like, I don't know what the best one is, but so hey everyone.
Hello everyone.
Yeah. Hey everyone watching?
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Put a real big country twang in it.
Yeah.
Well, we can try a couple different ones.
Okay.
The cool thing is, like I said, we can just cut and clip and all that. So anyway.
We could just say welcome to Rat Bay.
Yeah, we could.
So we're inviting them
Oh, okay. Let's start there.
Yep, here we go. Let's start over. Alright. We all had a lot of fun there.
You had fun?
Oh yeah.
Did y'all have fun? Was that fun?
Don't break the third wall.
The third wall or?
The third wall.
We're good. You don't have to.
Look at that.
Quite a bit.
That's the sound of us not landing on it.
Uno, dos, cinco.
No. Oh, fuck that.
Watch the front, bro.
Watch the front. You don't have enough on the back. You're not bossy because we on bridges. I see you. I can't grab it. This is your moment. Make it last forever.
What are you fixing your hair for?
Because I have to fix it all throughout the day.
You need to go to makeup for that.
Do we have a makeup person?
Yeah.
Is it Kayla?
Could be.
William,
Hey.
where have you been?
Oh, you know, just riding around.
Yeah, that's a terrible use of our resources.
Not doing anything. You
Oh,
know.
that's terrible.
Gas is $3.15. Just you know, burning it away.
That's good. Thanks for being such a valuable part of the team, William.
Yeah, I don't have to pay for the gas, so it's pretty awesome.
That's a good point. That's a good point. Cool shoes.
Hey, thanks.
You can't really read it, huh?
No, you can.
Hey William, let me check out those shoes. What's on your feet?
Pumas.
Let me take a look. Are these high heels?
No.
You sure?
No.
I mean, it'd be fine if they were.
No, you didn't.
Here, walk around a little bit. Let me see.
Looks like you got magnets on.
Are you taller?
Yeah, he is.
Yeah,
How tall are you?
I don't know. I have to measure.
Oh wow. Should probably get a measuring tape out.
5'9". Oh yeah.
What's your height before the high heels?
5'8".
5'8". I bet we could get it. I bet these things are at least an inch. I mean, it's kind of a wedge look. What is this? Is this an additional piece that you can add for more lift? Can you exchange this piece for a thicker piece?
I don't know.
Mason's gonna give us the measurement here.
Get off the plane.
And then you're standing under there. Oh, those Pumas have grip though. Did you see that grip? Look at those waterproof shoes. Those smell terrible, I bet.
They do not. He's about 5'9.5".
What? An inch and a half wedges.
Yeah.
Look at those wedges. Those summertime wedges. Those are nice.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Hey Israel.
Hello.
What are you working on?
Rush job.
Oh. Aren't all of our jobs rush jobs at this point?
Only when you put them on the list.
Ooh. Dang!
They're good clients. Rush has always been good to us.
Yeah, no, very good. Very good.
Is that why we rush on every job?
Probably. Even though I didn't put this one on the schedule, so. Do you know anybody? Evidently. So, is it stressful doing this rush job?
No, I just don't like to be rushed.
I understand that.
Yeah.
This job just all around is pretty much, it's all about rushing.
Yes.
It's all about the rush.
But it is cool that it's got a helicopter pad on top of this truck.
A helicopter pad, you say?
Yeah.
Oh, there is. It's also a bunch of bubble wrap up there so that the helicopters land safely.
Yes. Oh yeah. That's great.
It's fantastic.
Well, it helps get the job done in a rush when you have a helicopter. If you're behind, you just say helicopter come in,
That's nice.
and you rush your stuff.
It's very good.
And you can just do whatever you need to do, take as long as you need to take, and you can say it as many times as you want to say it, because it can be cropped,
It can be
cut,
clipped together.
clipped, clapped.
So, little rundown of what's in the shop right now. We've got our CM truck bed truck. It's a half wrap. You know, just to kind of show you some different stuff we can do. We got our half wrap right here, which is nice and clean.
What's a half wrap?
It is half coverage of the vehicle.
Okay, so what's the vehicle?
This and down is wrapped.
Oh, nice.
And this is just a little less than half. I guess that would be an even half, but you know. So we got our half wraps here. A little half wrap on the hood. Three-quarter wrap
so
on
it's
the
like
hood.
it's like a 3/8 wrap.
3/8, yeah. It's a 7,563,16.
Oh,
And this is our lovely alcohol
nice. Got a torch?
and our alcohol.
All right.
Oh.
Sweet.
It is a white truck.
What?
That is
No way.
longer white.
You mean it's a black truck?
It's a white truck.
What?
Check out the tailgate that's folded down.
Let's take a look at that tailgate.
White. Inside of the bed, white.
You wrapped the inside of the bed white?
Yes.
Man.
No, we didn't. I'm kidding.
Oh.
I mean, we will if you want to pay for that. We absolutely will.
What you working on?
We got a chrome delete here, so it's the newer satin chrome, and it's a little bit more complex than some of the other models. We've got a few layers here, so all these are going to have to be separate pieces. As you can see, this is a piece on top of that piece, and then we'll have inlays throughout here, and we're going to leave the emblem chrome. And then we got a bunch of other chrome out here. Got some under the headlights, we got some around the mirrors, along the side panels here, and then a little chrome cap with a light insert right here. And then this is probably the bulk of the work on the side, which is all the chrome around the windows. And we're not doing the bottom rail or the wheels, but it's gonna look really good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
What you doing, Phil?
Oh, you know, just a little side vent insert on a Gladiator. A little patriotic.
What's all this water about?
It's a wet apply, so I can reposition the vinyl as many times as needed to make sure it's 100% perfect.
Oh, 100% perfect. That's what we're doing.
Just got my tack solution.
100% perfect.
Just shake it real hard. You can just spray it as much as you want.
Nice.
Obviously, you have to make sure it's dry when you're done, but
So
That
what,
way you
we're
can-
doing those vents and
on the whole side, it's like a little stripe on the side. Still got to figure out the positioning on that one.
Gotcha.
The customer wanted it to go over the fender flare at first,
Fender flare's pretty deep.
pretty deep, and it would change that stripe a lot. So he said he's cool with us moving it forward. So I got to reposition it. Got to make it look more like he wanted originally.
Gotcha. I think you can get really close to it. I think that's probably pretty close. If we just took this in.
Yeah, I just stuck it up there. I haven't measured or anything yet.
Sweet. Well, that's done.
Like, anything you want to say?
Can't think of anything.
You sure? Okay. Go. Ryan!
No, I just don't like to be rushed.
I understand that.
Yeah.